Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are from group 2 K1BDV 3500. We would like to present to you a documentary video about wetland.
Wetlands can be defined as areas that are inundated or saturated by surface or groundwater at a frequency and duration sufficient to support, and under normal circumstances, do support a prevalence of vegetation typically adapted for life in saturated soil conditions. Some wetlands are flooded woodlands full of trees. Others are more like flat, watery grassland. Still others are choked by thick, spongy mosses. Wetland can be found at swamp, marsh, and bogs. Considered by the most of the scientists, they were the major kind of wetlands.
So, what is the benefit of wetland in our ecosystem? Firstly, from a human forthcoming, they furnish us with a setup of advantages as far as monetary addition, security and prosperity. Second, from an ecological standpoint, they are extremely important habitats for thousands of birds, fish, amphibians and invertebrates. They are particularly important as breeding and necessary ground for fish and feeding grounds for the birds. Third is pollution filter. If trees are the lungs of the planet, the wetlands are its kidneys. On the Rush River near Detroit, Michigan, a wetland demonstration project shows significant reduction in nitrates, phosphorus and heavy metals. Clean and plentiful drinking water depends on healthy wetlands.
How wetland ecosystems play a role in mitigation of climate change. Wetlands can play an important role in our approach to climate change adaptation and carbon sink because the soils can absorb and store carbon for hundreds of years. Wetlands also can help reduce floods and relieve droughts. Inland wetlands such as floodplains, rivers, lakes, and swamps function like sponges, absorbing and storing excess rainfall and reducing flood surges. During dry seasons in arid regions, wetlands provide refuges for wildlife and supply water for communities and stock. Wetlands support biodiversity by maintaining wetland network and corridors will allow wetland-dependent plants and animals to adapt in response to changing climate conditions by moving to new areas.
Next, there are a few threats that can destroy the wetland. First, human activity such as artificial drainage, damming to form lakes or ponds, extraction of groundwater, adding pavement and diverting water flow. Second, natural process such as drought, hurricane and flooding. Hurricane and flooding can cause erosion to the wetland. Third, loss of vegetation. This is due to overgrazing by animals. This situation can cause wetland exposed to the erosion as well. Fourth, pollution. Sediment, sewage, and fertilizer enter the water surface and decrease the water quality. Fifth, global warming. It can increase the temperature. Warm water is suitable for algae, so algae can degrade water quality and kill many fish. In my humble opinion, we as a student can play a vital role to promote the importance of wetland to the public by spreading campaign during the World Wetland Day on 2nd February every year. This campaign can raise global awareness about the importance of wetland to the people and our planet. We also can educate people by providing them with more information about wetland during the campaign. Next, government must preserve and conserve wetland by introduce compound to illegal human activity and replant vegetation to the wetland. The best platform can be used to raise awareness on importance of wetland is via social media, because as we know, everyone in this world will have social media in their smartphone. So we can spread the awareness around the world without any limitation.